Hi, my name is Blair Grant, and this is my Phase 3 portfolio project for Flatiron School Software Engineering Program. This is a Ruby on Rails application, and because I'm such a huge Disney fan, I decided to create a movie watchlist app where a user can browse through a list of movies or choose their own. They can also add movies to a watch list and review movies as well. So let's go ahead and log in. Also, if you go to sign up, it will tell you that you have the option to log in using Facebook, GitHub, or Google as well. So we'll go ahead and log in with Facebook. I've already created the account, so it's going to take me to the home page. And then here it'll display some movie suggestions. You also have the nav bar with search movies. You can go to watch lists, reviews. And because I'm logged in through third party, I have the option to delete my account. If I was logged in and had created an account through the app itself, I would be able to edit my information as well. And when I go into edit information, I would have the option to delete my account. So we have suggestions here. We can go ahead and click on one. And what it will do is display the movie's information. There's also a link to the IMDb website that has more information about the movie. You can see that this movie has been rated. If it wasn't, it would say that it hasn't yet. And if you are the user that did the rating, or did the review rather, you have the option to edit or delete from the screen. You can also create another review for this movie. You can search for another movie if you don't want to add it to a watch list. And then you can also add this movie to a watch list. So I can add it to the one of the ones that I've already created, or I can add it to a new watch list and I can name it whatever I want to. So we'll go ahead and go see what watch list I have now. So I've got a watch list here called Fun Movies. I can also create a new watch list from here as well. All right, so we see that I have the Goonies in here. If I go back and say create a watch list, then I can just create a brand new one. So we'll say favorites, create watch list. So you'll see that I don't have any movies in this category yet, but it's added it to my watch list page. If I go to reviews, it'll show all of my reviews that I've left. Whether I have that movie in a watch list or not, it'll still show the movies that I have left reviews for. I can go ahead and create a new review here as well. It doesn't have to be from the movie show page. And I can just select any of the movies that I have in my list of movies for my watch list, or I can choose a movie from a list. So I'll go ahead and review this one. I haven't seen it yet, so I'll just say it was okay. Submit review. And then it'll say that it's been added to this movie. And if I scroll down on the movie show page, I'll see that it was added right here. So I'll go ahead and delete that one. It's not fair to review it if I haven't seen it yet. So then it takes me back to my main page for reviews. And I'll also show you, I can go to search movies. And from here, what you can do is pick from a list of movies that I've already got in my database. I seeded my database with these movies so that you have options to choose from. These are all Disney movies. Or you can just enter any movie. So we could do Harry Potter. It doesn't necessarily have to be Disney, even though those are the best. So if I submit that, it'll go ahead and it'll pull up the movie. And again, it's not going to add it to my watch list unless I choose to do so. So I specifically have to say add to watch list. And then you'll see that it has added that one as well. And from this page, I can also delete the watch list. I can delete a movie from the watch list. So if I go back to my homepage, you'll see that I have new suggestions for movies. So we've got highly rated, a random pick, or high box office gross. So this is my application. If I log out, you'll see it says, thanks for joining us today, Blair Grant. See you real soon. And that's a nod to Disney right there. So I hope you enjoyed my app. It was a lot of fun making it. And I'll leave the link if you want to give it a try yourself. So